Good morning, friends. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Sigma IAS YouTube channel. Welcome to Sigma IAS YouTube channel. Good morning, friends. Good morning. So today's topic is LCM and HCF. Today's topic is LCM and HCF. What is LCM and what is HCF? What is LCM and HCF? So welcome to Sigma IAS YouTube channel. Daily morning at 9 o'clock. Daily morning at 9 o'clock. I am taking arithmetic classes for ICET, and daily morning 10 o'clock. Daily morning 10 o'clock. Reasoning classes for ICET examination. I will take the classes up to examination date. Now, already today is the third day. So already two classes in arithmetic and two classes in reasoning completed. Two classes in arithmetic and two classes in reasoning already completed. So the previous class links are available in the description. The previous class links are available in the description. So once again attend the class. So then daily from Sigma IS YouTube channel. Once again listen here. 9 to 9:45. 9 to 9:45 arithmetic classes. 10 to 10:45. 10 to 10:45 reasoning classes. 11 to 11:30. 11 to 11:30 again arithmetic classes in Telugu medium. 11 to 11:30 it is in Telugu medium only. And exactly 12 o'clock, 12 to 12:15, 12 to 12:15 speed math classes. So attend the classes and increase your calculation speed. 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 12 a.m., 12 p.m. the classes are in English medium, but only 11 a.m. class in Telugu medium. So okay, now today's topic is LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF. Now it is the third day for ICET examination. I will take the classes up to ICET examination date. Okay, now here I will cover the total syllabus of arithmetic, total syllabus of reasoning also. Okay, now see here today's topic is LCM and HCF. Tell me friends, what is LCM and what is HCF? What is LCM and what is HCF? What is the meaning of LCM? Yadav, tell me. Krishna Yadav, Srinivas Reddy, Naveen. What is LCM and what is HCF? First of all, take the multiplier. So in LCM, first take the last letter M. M means multiplies. What is the meaning of multiplies? For example, what is the 3 multiplies? 3 multiplies are, what is the meaning of multiplies? Any number into natural numbers are known as multiplies of given number. For example, tell me the 3 multiplies. 3 multiplies are 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. These are known as 3 multiplies. These are known as 3 multiplies. Tell me what are the 4 multiplies? 4 multiplies 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. These are known as 4 multiplies. Multiplies means any number. Any number multiply with, any number multiply with the natural numbers are known as multiplies of the given number. Now you know what is multiplies. Now tell me what is the factors. And multiplies, take any number, that number has infinite multiplies, unlimited multiplies. But the factors, take any number, so the factors are limited. Factors are limited. For example, take 12. 12 factors are, 12 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So 12 multiplies 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 12 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. What are the multiplies factors of 4 to 15? 15 is exactly divisible by 1, 3, 5, 15. These are known as factors. These are known as factors. Now what is LCM? What is SCF? What is LCM and what is SCF? LCM, its abbreviation is least common multiplier. What is the meaning of LCM? Its abbreviation is least common multiplier. For example, what is the LCM of 4 and 6? What is the LCM of 4 and 6? Now, general method. For example, to find the LCM of 4 and 6, first to take the last letter multiplier. Write the 4 multipliers and write 6 multipliers. Tell me 4 multipliers are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. These are 4 multipliers. Then 6th multiplier. What are the 6 multipliers? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. These all are 6 multipliers. Now take the last 2 letters, common multipliers. Out of these multipliers, what are the common multipliers of 6 and 8? Common multipliers of 6 and 8. What is the common number? 12 is common number. 12. 24 is common number. 24. The next 36 also common number. These all are common factors. These all are common multipliers. Out of these common multiplier, what is the least number? What is the least number? 12 is the least number. 12 is the least number. Therefore, least common multiplier of 6 and 8 is 6 and 8 is 12. This is the method. But in the examination, friends, don't follow this method. In the examination, don't follow this method. Because why? Of course, 4 into 6 are small numbers. You can write the 4 multipliers, you can write the 6 multipliers also. But to find the LCM of 428 into 46, can you write the 24 and 8 these numbers of multipliers? No. For example, what is the LCM of 120 and 136? Can you write 120 and 136 multipliers? That will take time. Okay, so that's why don't follow this method. Then how to find the LCM? How to find the LCM? So 6 and 4 and 6. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Then how to find the LCM? Division method. Division method 4 and 6. Is there any common factor for 4 and 6? Yes, one common factor is there, that is 2. 2, 3. Is there any common factor for 2 and 3? Yes, 1 is common factor, but don't take 1. Other than 1, is there any common factor? No common factor. Now its LCM is equal to the product of outer numbers 2 into 2 into 3. It is equal to 12. It is equal to 12. Then what is HCF? What is HCF? F means factors. What is the HCF of? What is the HCF of 8 and 12? 8 and 12. Now first write the factors of 8 and 12. Factors of 8, factors of 12. What are the factors of 8? 8 is exactly divisible by 1. Good morning to everyone. Good morning. So try to attend the class at 9 o'clock only. Don't be late. 9 o'clock, 9 to 9:45. 9:45 first arithmetic class and 10 to 10:45 reasoning class. And 11 to 11:30 arithmetic in Telugu medium. And 12 to 12:15 speed math and Vedic math classes. So attend the classes. Now see here. What is the HCF of 8 and 12? 8 factors. 8 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Yeah, very good, Gordon. Your answer is right. 1, 2, 4, 8. 12 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now, out of these 3 letters, HCF, last letter F completed. Now take the last 2 letters, common factors. Common factors of 8 and 12. Tell me, friends, what are the common factors of 8 and 12? Here 1 is common factor. 2 is common factor, 4 is also common factor, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Now out of these 3 common factors, what is the highest number? Now take all 3 letters. What is the highest number? The highest common factors of 8 and 12. 8 and 12 is 4. 8 and 12 is 4. Okay, but friends, don't follow this method. Why? Because, for example, find the SF of any two big numbers. Can you write all the factors of all the factors of two big numbers? We can write, but it will take time. So then, how to find the SCF of these two numbers without writing the factors? Without writing the factors, how to find the SCF? Here, one division method is there. Division method: big number divided by small number. 8 ones 8. Here remainder is not 0. If the remainder is 0, 8 will be HCF, but remainder is not 0. If the remainder is not 0, now take this 8, divide with the present remainder. 4 to 8. 4 to 8, now the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, last time we divide with 4, therefore, the HCF of 8 into 12 is 4. 8 into 12 is 4. Okay, don't worry, I will give some more examples. Okay, now some important points. Some important points. Listen carefully and please note it. Please note down. These all are important points. The LCM of any two co-prime numbers. Yesterday only I explained about the co-prime numbers. Yesterday only I explained about the co-prime numbers. Once again, tell me, friends, what is the meaning of co-prime number? What is a co-prime number? If there is no common, except one, if there is no common factor for any two numbers, except one, if there is no common factor for any two numbers, that pair is known as co-prime numbers. Okay. Now, what is the LCM of any two co-prime numbers? The LCM of any two co-prime numbers is its product. The LCM of any two co-prime numbers is its product, and SCF is always 1. What is the LCM of 7 and 8? 7 and 8 are co-prime numbers because except 1 there is no common factor for these two numbers. 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers, friend. 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers because 4 and 6, 2 is the common factor for 4 and 6. Therefore, 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. Except 1 if there is no common factor. Except 1 if there is no common factor for any two numbers, that pair is known as co-prime numbers. 7 and 8. 7 and 8, 1 is the common factor. Other than 1, there is no any common factor for these two numbers. Then what is the LCM of 7 and 8? 7 into 8, 56. What is the SCF? SCF of any two co-prime numbers is always 1. Okay. Now, if two numbers are there, n and n, what is the LCM of two numbers, n and n? It is n, its LCM is n, SCF is also n. For example, what is the LCM of 8 and 8? Both the numbers are same. Its LCM is 8, SCF is also 8. LCM is 8 and SCF is also 8. Now, the LCM of 1 comma n. The LCM of 1 comma n is n and its SCF is 1. For example, what is the LCM of 1 and 9? What is the LCM of 1 and 9? Its LCM is 9. Its SCF is 1. Its SCF is 1. And one more important point, the product of any two numbers, is always equal to the product of its LCM and HCF. The product of its LCM and HCF. For example, what is the LCM and HCF of 6 and 8? 6 and 8 LCM. 6 and 8 LCM is 24. 6 and 8 LCM is 24. 6 and 8 SCF is 2 because 6 and 8 both the numbers are exactly divided by 2. So 2 is the SCF. Okay, now according to this formula, the product of any two numbers is always equal to the product of its LCM and SCF. So 6 into 8 is 100% equal to 24 into 2. What is 6 into 8? 48. 24 into 2. Got it? Is it clear? Okay. Now a small notice for each and every person. Each and every person. I started online courses, free online classes. I started free online classes from April 24, 2022. 20 April 24, 2022. April 20 April 24, 2021. Without a single day gap, without holiday, no Sundays, no holidays, no festivals, no corona holidays, no anything. Daily, every day I will take the class. Up to 366, total 360 days without a break. Without a break, I will take the class. So already I started April 24. Till now, successfully I completed 2 months. Already 2 months completed. Now third month is going on. Okay. So then at present I am taking the ICET classes. I am taking the ICET classes for both the states, Telangana and AP. Telangana and AP. Today is the third ICET class. Today is the third ICET class. The classes up to I will take the classes up to ICET examination. After completing the ICET examination, immediately I will take the SI Constable Bank POs classes also. It is 100% free. Please inform to your friends also. Please inform to your friends also. Daily from Sigma IAS YouTube channel. Daily from Sigma IAS YouTube channel. Without any charge, I am taking the aptitude in reasoning classes. Aptitude in the reasoning classes without any charge. So immediately subscribe the YouTube channel Sigma IAS. Then after completing the class, please download the Telegram app. Please download the Telegram app. After that, in the Telegram app, just type Ravipal Reddy aptitude. Type Ravipal Reddy aptitude in say search box. Aptitude. Type the Ravipal Reddy aptitude. Then you will get our link. Then join in the group in the Ravipal Reddy aptitude channel. Daily you will get the links. Then if you want to receive the YouTube links from the WhatsApp. After completing the class, please send the request to this mobile number 9491614131. After completing the class, so if you want to receive the daily YouTube class links from WhatsApp, send the request to this mobile number. Please type your name, sir. I am so and so. Then please add my number in ICET online classes group. So, okay, then I will add your number. Then I will add your number in our WhatsApp group. So daily you will receive the messages from this number. And a small request for each and every person before going to starting the class, please open the notebook. Please open the notebook, take the pen and paper, then attend the class. Now see here, then what is LCM and what is HCF? Just now we completed. For example, what is the LCM of 10, 15 and 20? How to find the LCM of 10, 15 and 20? Division method. Division method. All three numbers are exactly divisible by 5. 5 to 10. 5 3 to 15. 5 4 to 20. Again 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. Good morning Abdul Qasim. Good morning. 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. So 2 1 to 2. 3 is not divisible by 2. So write same as it is. And 2 2 so 4. Now 1 3 2. There is no common factor for these three numbers. Then Govardhan 5 is HCF, but I am asking the LCM. So its LCM is equal to now 132. There is no common factor for these three numbers except 1. There is no common factor. So its LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2. It is equal to 5 to 10. 3 to 6. It is equal to 60. It is equal to 60. This is LCM. Then I will give some more examples on LCM also. Now one more, what is the LCM of 46 and 46 and say 76? What is the HCF of? What is the HCF of 46 and 76? Very good, Gordon. Very good, Sony. Your answers are right. What is the HCF of 46 and 76? Very good, Srinu. 46 and 76, big number divided by small number. 46 once 46. What is the remainder? Here the remainder is not 0. If the remainder is not 0, now take this 46. Divide with the present remainder 30. 30 once 30. Again the remainder is not 0. Now once again take this 30. 16 once 16. Now also the remainder is not 0. Now take this 16. Divide with the 14. 14 once 14. Now also remainder is not 0. Now take this 14. 14. 2 sevens 14. 2 sevens 14. 0. So finally the remainder is 0. Then last time we divided with the 2. Therefore HCF of these two numbers 46 and 76 is 2. The HCF of 46 and 76 is 2. Some more simple techniques are there. I will explain each and every tip. Now next one. Some more important points. The LCM of any two numbers is always a multiplier of its HCF, and HCF is always a factor of its LCM. Got it? For example, take any two numbers. For example, take 30 and 40. What is the LCM of 30 and 40? Its LCM is 120. Its HCF is 10. Its HCF is 10. So, the LCM is always a multiplier of HCF. 10 multiplier is 120. And HCF is always a factor of LCM. 120 factors. 10 is one of the factor of 120. 10 is one of the factor of 120. Please note down. Please note each and every point. Now, if there is any, if the ratio of any two numbers, if the ratio of any two numbers is A is to B, let the ratio of two numbers is A is to B, and its HCF is let H. Then the two numbers, what is the first number? First number is HA, second number is HB. Its LCM is, what is LCM? HAB. For example, two numbers are there in ratio 2 is to 3. Let its HCF is 5. Its HCF is 5. Two numbers ratio is 2 is to 3. Its HCF is 5. Then two numbers. First number is 5 into 2, 10. Second number 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 3, 15. So these two numbers. And what is its LCM? The LCM is HAB. H is 5. 5 into 2 into 3. 5 into 2 into 3. It is 30. So the ratio of any two numbers is A is to B. A is to B, its HCF is H. Then the two numbers are A is to B, its HCF is H. Then two numbers HA, HB, LCM is HAB. Remember each and every point, please note it. Now, the LCM of any two numbers, the LCM of any two numbers is always either equal to biggest number or more than the biggest number. For example, 30 and 40. What is the LCM? It may be equal to 40 or more than 40. So 120 is more than 40. For example, what is the LCM of 10 and 20? 10 and 20 LCM is 20. 10 and 20 SCF is 10. So what is the last point? LCM of any two numbers is equal to biggest number. It is equal to biggest number or more than biggest number. And HCF of any two numbers equal to smallest number or less than the smallest number. Here 10 and 20. What is the HCF? 10 is the smallest number. It is equal to 10. Or some cases it is the less than smallest number also. It is less than smallest number also. Okay. Now the next one. Find the LCM of 8, 12 and 15. Find the LCM of 8, 12 and 15. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 15. Both are same. Find the LCM of 8, 12 and 15. In the examination, they don't ask the direct questions. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 15. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 15. What is the meaning of this question? It is nothing but LCM only. So find the LCM. Friends, find the LCM of these three numbers. Tell me. Try it. Try it. Find the answer. What is the LCM of 8, 12 and 15? If you know the answer, please find the answer. So 8, 12 and 15, there is no common factor for all three numbers. 8 and 12 are exactly divisible by 4. 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12. 15 is not divisible by 4, so write same as it is. 3 and 15 are divisible by 3. 3 and 15 are divisible by 3. 2 is not divisible by 3, so write same as it is. 3 1 is 3. 3 5 is 15. 3 5 is 15. Now there is no, it is not 240, it is not 240. 120 is the LCM. 120 is the LCM. 215, here there is no common factor. Now the LCM is equal to the product of these numbers 4 into 3 into, yeah, very good Akshita, your answer is right. 120 is right answer. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 3, 12. 2 into 1 into 5. 12, 5 is 10. So 120. So very good, very good. Shreya, your answer is right. Very good, Akshita, your answer is right. Okay, the LCM of 4, 8, 12 and 15. What is the LCM? What is the LCM? 120. The LCM of 8, 12 and 15 is 120. Okay, is it clear? If you have any doubt, type your doubt in chat box. And please like this video. Daily I am taking the classes from Sigma IS YouTube channel. So subscribe the Sigma IS YouTube channel. And please forward this information to your friends. They will be benefited. Now next question. Find the least number which is divisible by 8, 12 and 15 when we add 3. Sony, very good. Find the least number. Find the least number which is divisible by 8, 12 and 15 when we add 3. For example, remove this sentence. When we add what? If it is not there. If it is not there. When we add 3, sentence is not there. Now what is the remaining question? Find the least number which is divisible by 8, 12 and 15. It is nothing but LCM only. So the LCM of 8, 12 and 15. What is the LCM of 8, 12 and 15? Just now we completed LCM, that is 120. Okay, so it is divisible by, what is the meaning of LCM? 120 is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 15. Now what is the new question when we add 3? Here one more sentence is there when we add 3. So if you add 3 to any one particular number, that number should be divisible by 8, 12 and 15. Which number plus 3 is 120? Tell me. Which number plus 3 is 120? Therefore, the required number is equal to 120 minus 3, 117. So, if add word is there, your answer is LCM minus given number. When we subtract, if subtract word is there, LCM plus. It is not 123. It is not 123, Shreya. If add word is there, subtract. So now, for example, let your answer is 123. 123 plus 3. So if you add 3 to 123, your answer is 123. So if you add 3 to this answer, it will become 126. 126 is not divided by 8. 126 is not divided by 12 or 15 also. Okay. So if add word is there, LCM minus 3 is the answer. So what is your answer? 117. Okay. If you add 3 to this answer, 117 plus 3, how much? 120. Now 120 is divided by 8. 120 is divided by 12. 120 is divided by 15 also. This one. Okay. Any doubt? If you are feeling happy with these classes, like this video. Now find the least number which is divided by 8, 12 and 15 when we subtract 4. Find the least number which is divided by 8, 12 and 15 when we subtract 4. So now the LCM of why we should subtract 4. Question is, find the least number which is divided by 8, 12 and 15 when we add 3. When we add 3. Okay, especially for you, I will explain once again. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Especially for you. So, the LCM of 8, 12 and 15 is 120. The LCM of 8, 12 and 15 is 120. Okay. Now, question is, which number is divided by 8, 12 and 15 if you add 3? Okay. Let the required number is x. Let the required number is x. Now, your answer is x. So, if you add 3 to x, your answer will become 120. So, x plus 3. X plus 3. So, add to our answer only, not the LCM. Add to our answer only. So let the required number is x. So now if you add 3, it will the number is divided by 8, 12 and 15. Which number is divided by 8, 12, 15? 120. So x plus 3 is 120. Now what is x? What is x? 120 minus 3. X is equal to 170. Okay. Now is it clear? Akshita? Add 3. Okay. Okay, now present question, the LCM of 8, 12 and 15. The LCM of 8, 12 and 15 is 120. The required number, is equal to 120. If subtract is there, add the 4. 120 plus 4, 124. So 124 is your answer. Now, if you subtract 4, from 124, it will become 120. 120 is divided by 8, 12 and 15. Okay. Next question. Find the 4-digit biggest number. Find the 4-digit biggest number which is exactly divided by 8, 12 and 15. Find the 4-digit biggest number which is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 15. The LCM of 8, 12 and 15 is 120. What is the meaning of LCM? What is the meaning of LCM? The LCM of 8, 12 and 15 is 120. 120 is divisible by 8, 12 and 15. Less than 120, take any number. Less than 120, take any number. That number is not divisible by all three numbers. For example, take 24. 24 is divisible by 8 and 12. 24 is not divisible by 15. For example, take 60. 60 is divisible by 12 and 15, but that is not divisible by 8. So 120 is the least number, which is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 15. But what is the question? Find the 4-digit biggest number. 4-digit biggest number, which is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 15. 8, 12 and 15. So 120 is divisible by 8, 12 and 15. Not only 120, 120 multiplies 120, 240, 360, 480. These all are 120 multiplies 600, 720. These all are exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 15. These all are exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 15. So, but question is, what is the 4-digit biggest number? Okay, don't try all the factors up to 4-digit biggest number. It will take half an hour time. But the simple method, easiest method is, what is the 4-digit biggest number? What is the 4-digit biggest number? The 4-digit biggest number, please tell me. The 4-digit biggest number is 9,999. The 4-digit biggest number is 9,999. So, if 9,999 is divisible by 120, that is our answer. The 4-digit biggest number is 9,999. If 9,999 is divisible by 120, that is right answer. 9,999 divided by 120. 9,999 is not divisible by 120. Here you will get some remainder. Okay. So 9,999 divided by 120. 128 is 960. 128 is 960. Remainder 39. Now take this 9. 123 is 360. The remainder is 39. If the remainder is 0, our answer is 9,999. Here the remainder is not 0, remainder is 39. Remainder is 39. So 9,999 is not divisible by 120. So therefore the required number is equal to 9,999. From 9,999 subtract the present remainder 39. It will become 9,960. So 9,960 is divisible by 120. 9,960 is divisible by 120. Therefore 9,960 is the 4-digit biggest number, because it is divisible by 120. So no doubt 9,960 is divisible by 8, 12 and 15 also. That is divisible by 8, 12 and 15 also. Therefore it is the 4-digit biggest number. It is the 4-digit biggest number, which is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 15. It is divisible by 8, 12 and 15. Okay friends, now schedule, once again listen here. Daily morning 9 a.m. Daily morning 9 a.m. arithmetic classes, English medium. 10 a.m. reasoning classes, English medium. 11 a.m. arithmetic classes, Telugu medium. English medium, 9 English medium, 10 English medium, 11 Telugu medium. 12 noon speed maths bilingual. Then subscribe Sigma IS YouTube channel. If you want to receive the WhatsApp messages, YouTube links in WhatsApp, I will add your number. With your request only I will add your number. So send your request to this mobile number 9491614131. But don't forget to type your name and your course details. Your name, and you are preparing for ICET examination or any other competitive examination. Write your goal and district and state. Then I will add your number. Okay. So tomorrow we'll discuss some more questions. Thank you. Please like this video and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.